CSO Consulting Solutions presents Take Charge of Your Healthcare. No shovel required. Let's make 2025 the year of better healthcare, no matter the weather. What's the best time of year to take charge of your healthcare? Right now. Here's why. Stay cozy and proactive. No need to leave the house. With virtual appointments, you can stay warm and cozy while taking that first step toward better healthcare. Winter storms are no joke, but that's no excuse to delay your healthcare journey. Perfect time to organize. Snowed in? Use this time to review your medical records, update your medication list, and get prepared for an organized healthcare this year. New year, fresh start. Don't wait for the ice to thaw. Start taking charge of your healthcare now. Schedule your safer healthcare call today with Cathy. To learn more, visit CSO Consulting Solutions at www.patienttopartner.com.